Hey, welcome back to the channel where we turn everyday creators into digital sorcerers. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit like because today, spilling the tea on how to bring your characters to life from just an image and turn it into a full-blown animation for flag free. Stick around because what I'm about to show you might just break the internet or at least your creative block.
So first of all, we go to a new chat and then click on this place to enter a new chat, and the first thing you will do is go to this place that you left and then you click on animation script builder. So when you click on animation script builder, now I already have a particular animation script builder I use, and it is by Emmanuel Crown. And if you don't know how to get it, you can just click on this same two slide, then click on GPTs, then you search for Emmanuel. Once you just search for Emmanuel Crown, it will show you the particular animation, and then you see animation script builder by Emmanuel Crown, and then you click on it. So now once you click on it, to take it to place, you see you can make a 2D chart, you can make 3D animation, you can write a script as well. So you see start chart. So now we are going to make this very fast and as simple as we can. So first of all, we would say create a 3D animation character. This character should be a female and she should be like a Nigerian. Full stop. She should be on a low cut hair. Her eyes should be small and her skin color should be caramel. Chocolate and caramel. Ooh, anyways, I'm just kidding. Caramel. Then she should be wearing a black t-shirt with a jacket on it and a blue boyfriend jean. So now this is we prompting the ChatGPT of what we want. I want her to be in a cozy studio, and on the studio there should be a place for our brand called Alex's Creatives. Anyways, we'll just stop here to avoid too many talks. We'll just stop here, and this is just prompting, and then we'll wait and see what it will give to us. Now we press enter. So now this is me showing you how to do it with your phone. I'm not using my system. I'm showing you how you can do it for free on your phone, and also how to animate them to start talking and doing everything you want to do for free as well. And I'll be showing you different apps as well. Now it's saying that it's trying to analyze what it says. Please confirm or edit gender, female, ethnicity, Nigerian, hairstyle, low cut, eye shape, blah blah blah, all of that. And then warm lighting, comfortable sitting at art supply tech tools, the aspect ratio, by default. Let me know if you prefer a different format. And let me say, okay, I want the aspect ratio to be 9:16. For instance, I think that this is the one for you to say, and then we'll tell it to begin, and you get your results in just few minutes. Okay, it's asking me some questions. These are the before I generate jacket color or material. I want jacket color or material, AD denim leather jacket. Jackets should be leather. So he's trying to make you be detailed enough so it could create it. And you cannot as well edit. So number 2, picture style. If you want a 3D cartoon, if you want an hyper realistic, or if you want something different. So I want a stylized but realistic. So I want stylized, but no, let's say we want a 3D. Let's say we want a 3D cartoon, and go ahead. So now it's actually generating the image. So we'll just have to wait for it, and then we get it. So now our image is ready. So this is the image we're working with for now. So now if I want to edit it, I would say I want her to sit in a studio room on a chair and with a camera in her front and some lightning, some studio lights close to her, but not that visible. So let's say enter. And I see that's actually very important to check anyways. If you check, I first gave it a prompt to make her in a studio room and to also put our creative name there, but it did not do that. So while it's analyzing it for you, it is very, very important that you should check what it is analyzing. So if there's anything that you put there that ChatGPT did not put there, so it is very important. You see, would you like me to go ahead? The character alone in chat pose and full outfit, cozy studio setting. The character pose inside the studio with Alexis creative brand be visible. When I change the we're saying to I want the aspect ratio to be 9:16. You see, it forgot that it was supposed to put the character pose inside the studio with Alexis Creative's brand visible. So it is very important to check when it is analyzing for you. So I guess it is still analyzing it. But anyway, first of all, let's download this. So we have downloaded our picture and now it is available. So now the next thing you would want to do is to go. So now we'll be animating this, and while we are still waiting for our second image to be brought to life. So now the next thing you would want to do is to go to Hydra. Now you are going to Hydra. Now the reason why we are using Hydra first of all is that at first, I guess Hydra gives you over about 400 points at first. Then secondly is that on Hydra it is like a 3-in-1 thing. Now on Hydra you are animating the person, Secondly, you are giving her a particular voice you want her to use. And thirdly is that you can clone a voice. You can clone a voice, even a celebrity's voice anyways. Then thirdly is that you can do any other thing. Like it is for cloning, you can add any normal voice and you can also animate its pictures to become realistic. So their movements, you understand. So now let's click on try now. Now once they take you to try now, okay, it says welcome to Hydra. I already signed in with Google, I guess, before, but I think it logged me out. So, and now we are in. Now, what you have to do first is to start frame. Click on start frame. And when you click on start frame, to show you create image, capture image, upload image. Now, once you already have your image, all you just have to do is to do what? Is to upload an image. So now we are uploading our image, and remember we already have our image. So we'll upload our image here. Done. Now, audio scripts. We don't have any particular audio to upload. We don't have a recorded audio. Let's say speech, generate speech. So now it's a take it to the place. This is the place where we have to put our speech. So you just type whatever you want. So let's say I am a baller and I would love to know you all better. So now this is our script that we'll be using. So all we have to do is to either choose a voice, you create a voice, or you see auto. So now we want to choose a voice. So it's tell you these are the voices. So you can view all voices. You see Mimi, there's Alice, there are a lot of them, and they will tell you where they are from. Some are British, Swedish, you see, Swedish female young child. And when you listen to it, you see it usually. You see the way she speaks. So let's say we'll be choosing this British female middle-aged confident, or let's choose Grace rather. I think Grace is a female, young, pleasant American. So let's use her voice. And then we are done here. So what we just do is add to video. Click on add to video. And when you do that, it's already syncing. So now what you need to do next, the third thing you need to do is to add your prompt. It said prompt your character with emotions and gestures. I want her to be lively while she speaks with a smile on her face. And then we do what? We animate. So we just press this arrow that is moving upwards and you click on it. So because we are using the free one, to show you this first, and then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, to tell you preparing to generate your video, please do not close the browser during this process, and after then we'll be seeing our video very, very, very soon. So our video is actually in the queue anyways, and to generate very, very soon. Now our video is ready, so let's just play it and see what it's. See, so now you can actually do more better by controlling the way she moves her head and all that, but what we really needed is the lip syncing. So the lip syncing is literally perfect. So the lip syncing is a killer on Hydra. So when you are using Hydra, why I love Hydra is because you can do everything in one, first of all, and it is quite cheaper, unlike other ones that you have to probably use Runway for the, you understand, and Although Runway is very, very good, Kling AI is also amazing. But I don't think Kling AI for the lip sync, I really don't trust it that much. But I think Runway is actually better, but quite expensive. But I think Hydra is about $10 for their upgrade plan, their premium plan, and then you can actually subscribe to that and be using Hydra, which is quite better, and instead of doing other ways. But now I'll also be showing you another tool that you can use if you don't want to be, probably if you are still using the free version and the paid one is, and you are done with your points that they give to you. So you can actually use this particular one, which you'll be using, and it is called Hawilo AI, and this is it. So now it gives you 100 points for a day, and for every video you make, they take 30 points for you. So you are only able to make 3 videos in a day. So you see, just have to go through the same process. You just have to click on the image. For instance, let's say we are clicking on our image that we created, and here's the image. We are clicking on our, we've clicked on our, so I just have to say I want her hands to move like one who is advertising something. She should be smiling while she speaks, and her eyes should blink like a normal human. And trust me, when you do this, you get something literally so perfect. And all you just have to do is to click on create history, and then when you create, the job will be on the queue, although it takes quite a long time anyways. So it is to first optimize the prompt, then to start loading, and then you get whatever you want. And as you can see, I've used it for so many projects. I've used it for a lot of projects, and trust me, it is superb. I use it for podcasts. It is super amazing. Trust me, it is. So I think another one, you can then, when you already have your video here, so you can just easily go to another app, because this app does not lip sync. You just only make the mouth to move. So you can go to a particular app which you can download, and the name of the app is Dreamface. So Dreamface give you 10 points, that is 10 usage every day. So now, if you see, today I've not done any job and I still have 10 free. Say 10 free times left today. So all you just have to do is to come here, click on video lip sync. After you download your app, click on and you log in, click on video lip sync, and then you can just put in any video. Now, for instance, we have this video already. All you have to do is to say, I am Alex and I would be teaching you how to animate AI characters today. And then you choose a voice here. For the free, for this one that is free, they give you two two free cloning voice. So now I cloned 2 voice already, which I already cloned one from Hydra. I brought the voice from Hydra. I used the voice from Hydra, then I brought a video, and then I cloned it. So I cloned it, and then I got the particular audio from it, and that is what I tagged Alexis Creative. Why this one that I tagged with Alex is actually my voice. So this is the 2 voices I have. So they give you 2 free. Then if you want to use the one that they have, there is the ones for recent, there's child, there's male, there's female, there's rapid. But anyways, I love using the one I cloned. So you can clone a particular voice that you just want to be using, and trust me, to go as dupe as the way you cloned it. So now let's say I'm going to my voice. So now I can just,
Hello, welcome to Dream Phase.
yeah, so that's it. And then when you animate it, the lip sync could be as 100% good as, I think I personally, at first I felt like it was much more better than hair dry anyways. Yes, I think their lip syncing on Dream Face, it's 100% better than hair dry, but hair dry is also very, very okay for me as well. So now so let me just type subject. I am Alex, and I would be teaching you how to animate characters today. Animate AI characters today. So I'll say confirm, and I'll just put my say confirm and animate, and then you can come back later and view by clicking on view later in profile. When you just take view later in profile, you just have to click on it, and when you click on it, you can just come to this profile and see all your, this is where all your work will be, and you see everything that I've been doing is currently here, because definitely hairdryer's point will really not really be enough, you understand. So this is also another free way, just in case hairdryer are done with the point and you probably don't have money yet to subscribe. So this is actually a free cheat code I'm giving. So obviously Hawilo gives 100 points a day, why this one give 10 times free a day, so you can do as much as you want. And so that's why you have to be very good with the prompting. When you are prompting the movement, it's very, very important that you can prompt a particular movement that you can use for more than one video when you are creating the lip sync. So that's it, guys. So guys, just before we end the video, you can see this is super, super, super dope, super amazing, trust me. You see, we got her showing on both the camera and she's also showing on a chair, and to see everything, see the lighting, just like we said, it should not be too visible, it should just be amazing, and we got something really, really amazing. And I think I have to download this, trust me. You have to download this, and I think I'll have to be using this as well. But anyways, this is how to create. So let's check our Hawilo if it's actually done with the so it takes quite a long time, but just so I won't waste our time and so we can try it out, you can try it out and check it, and if you're having any issues, you can comment down, so I would reply you. And also, if you have anything you want to talk about, you can just easily comment as well. Please make sure you like and give us a subscribe.
If you made it this far, you're officially one of us. So go ahead, like this video, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Like it owes you money. Don't play with building a creative empire out here. And yo, if you thought animating with just a picture was wild, wait till you see what's next. I'm talking about how to design fire YouTube thumbnail. It's crispy, clickable, and sized perfectly at 1280 by 720 pixels. Yep, I'm giving you the exact ratio, layout tips, and free tools to make your content pop, like Netflix covers. And yeah, it's free too. So stick around, fam. Next video's about to drop, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Peace out and keep creating like a boss.